hopefully in the last section you're able to play around on Google Mars a little bit and come up with some observations. One thing I want to introduce to you guys is that an agency called the Universal Space Agency is trying to figure something out. They've contacted me via email over the summer. Several scientists that are working with making observations about the planet Mars are really interested in this specific channel that you should see on your screen right now. And it's kind of right along here. So this is a satellite image of a channel that's on Mars, and we don't know how it was formed. So what I told him is that I'm going to kind of turn you guys into planetary geologists for this unit, and we'll try and figure out maybe what formed this channel, how did it form, how did it get there? Because if it was formed by water, for example, that could be really important in terms of there being evidence that water was once on Mars or still is on Mars. Could Mars potentially hold life? Could it potentially be a habitable planet? It could have also formed a different way, or maybe if it was formed by lava and there's similar geologic processes on Mars as there is on Earth, then that's also important for us to know because, again, we're trying to figure out, is Mars a habitable planet or not? So your job is to try and figure this out. In the next section, you'll kind of see a bigger image. You'll see the same image of this channel on Mars, and it'll ask you a few questions about it. Okay, so be observant, be scientific, and be good. We'll talk to you later.